Yo, free online money maker. What up, YouTube? What up? Alright, shout out to the online team. Alright, everybody out there grinding, doing their thing on an every single day basis. Make sure y'all get this free money. Alright, that's what my channel's about. Get this free money, put it into your account, and make sure you invest in yourself, people. Alright, take this money, invest in yourself, and let's get it going. Alright, let's get it going. I just want to show you guys just a quick video. Alright, real quick video. Superpay.me. Just want to show you guys my backstage stats, people. Backstage stats. All right, lifetime stats right here. All right, so right now we got $21.90 in the account right now, plus this $3 cash balance. All right, so it's about $25 and some change. All right, so we're gonna do a quick little $20 cash out. Let's go to rewards here, and like I said, people, I just want to show you guys how fast it hits the account. Let's go to convert points in cash. And like I said, I'm gonna show you guys what works. All right, so go back, watch my tutorials. I have so many different tutorials. Go to my playlist. Type in Superpay, type in international sites. You could type in so many different things on my playlist on my YouTube channel, and you can find everything that you need to find as far as tutorials and different ways to earn income. All right, I'm just gonna cash out here, and I'm gonna give you guys a quick tutorial on where to go. All right, when you're looking at these right here, I'm gonna show you guys where to go and to earn the fastest income. All right, people, all you really want to do is just earn a quick $2, $4, $5, $8, $10 a day every single day. You want to do this on multiple sites, and you can add it up, and you can really do something on the side that you got to work on an every single day basis. All right, so right here, let's convert these points to cash right here. Let's just convert. I'm gonna do a $20 cash out. So let's convert to 17. Let's do 18. I think I need another zero. So 1,800 is going to be $18. Let's convert that. All right, so 1,800 is $21. Still have $390 in my point balance right here. All right, so let's go cash this out right here. And the reason why I show you guys this video, because I'm going to show you guys it still works. I've been using this. I've been showing you guys these videos, right? I could earn so much more that I'm earning on here, way more, right? But the only reason I don't is because I have different things I got going on, right? So, like I said, if you don't have anything going on, use my link in the description. See if you get a sign up bonus. All right, if they got a promo bonus, you get a bonus, and just start getting with it. Watch my tutorials, study my tutorials, and just go from there, people. Go from there on an every single day basis. All right, you could earn some income on here. 100% free site. All right. Let's go to withdraw cash now. Go to rewards. Go to withdraw cash. The only reason I show you guys this is so when you do make your first dollar. What I love about this is look at the PayPal cash. Minimum is $1. People, look right here. Your favorite wife has just earned $146 in cash. Right. So they basically did a survey for $1.46. You could cash that out immediately. That's why I tell you guys, like, you can cash this out immediately, right? And you can do this every single day, like every single day, right? So it's up to you. You see people here are earning 2 cents, 10 cents, 5 cents. They're doing this all day, and it's only taking them seconds to do it. So they're doing that all day. They cash out at the end of they cash out whenever they finish, and just keep doing it every single day. Take that income and put into something that you got going on, all right? That you have going on the side. All right, I'm gonna do an instant PayPal so it can hit the account quickly. All right, so like I said, people, there's a lot of different things you could do. It's really up to you on how you really want to do what you got to do. It's really on it. All right, so right here, all payments reviewed, 24 hours maximum. All right, I'm gonna pause the video, dive into my PayPal. All right, and I'm back right here. Like you say, I always keep my PayPal account on zero. All right, people, so I always like move money around and stuff like that. Look, $20.71. Already hit the account. You can see the time right here. Rewind the video, literally seconds. Just like my last video, it takes seconds. All right, so this is why I show you guys this. Why? Because this is very powerful if you need it every single day. If you need it, this is every single day. This is not like it's a holiday you can't use it. Every single day. You got to understand this is what helped me to buy courses, to buy different things, and to learn a lot of different things because I didn't have a lot of money. I never had money, right? So I needed extra income. I needed extra $50. I needed extra $100, extra $300, right? If I really save up and do what I gotta do, I need an extra $2,000, right? So I'll just get on free online money maker, use my sites, use my strategies, put that work in every single day, and you can have income coming in every single day though. You like I used to make $20, $30 every single day, $35 every single day, people. Every day I'll make like $15 or $12 before I even go to work. Every single day I used to do that in the morning. I'll do that in the morning before I leave to go to work. People are like, oh, what's $12? What's $15? Nothing. Yeah, you do it every single day before work. That's good income. That's good side income. Right? I don't gotta pay for gas, I don't gotta pay for groceries. There's a lot of different stuff you don't have to pay for that helps you out, or you can take the money and use it to buy courses, keep saving it up, start a side business that you got going on, right? So you can do this, all right, every single day. All right, I just show you guys what works all the time, and you guys don't have to be skeptic and don't have to, I don't know if I should waste my time on it. Waste your time on it. Take time on it, because once you get it and once you start banging out these surveys every single day, it's gonna be a blessing. It's going to be a blessing, and you're going to be like, whoa, I got income coming in every single day, 100% free on my spare time. That's powerful if you know how to use it. And the thing is, you don't want to do this forever. So you just want to do it until you can keep gaining some traction, gain some income, whatever you need. What you need, $400? You need $800 to start something, right? So just start building off it. Start saving that up. Maybe you got another income coming in. Now you only got to use $400 from these free sites, and then you got another $400. There goes your $800. Do what you got to do, whatever you need. But it's here every single day, people. Every single day, all right? So right here, let's jump into the homepage right here. Oh, let me jump back into my back into the account page right here. All right, I want to show you guys. All right, look, cash balance is $0 now. Still have $3.90 in the account. 226 referrals. Like I said, people, referrals don't matter because it's all about active. So if people can sign up all they want. If they're not active, you're not going to get any income from it. All right, so I try to tell you guys, go on here. Don't worry about referrals. Worry about gaining some income first. If you really want to learn about referrals, watch my referral videos. All right, total pay right here. All right, so this is like free income, people. This is what I try to tell you guys. This should have been 10 times this, right? But like I said, I don't use it like that because I got different things going on. I'm just showing you guys what works and what helped me out when I really needed it back in the day, right? Now I still have things coming in because now and then I watch videos and stuff like that, but you know what I'm saying? For the most part, it's going to be all from referrals. So like I said, it's on you on an every single day basis to really get after it, all right? If you really need the income, you can do it, all right? So let's go to the let's go to paid surveys, all right? So we're going to do this tutorial breakdown, all right? We're going to go top paid surveys and offers. And like I said, there's so many different areas of survey providers that you could go to. All right, first thing you want to do is always do your surveys. Why? Because they're the top paid surveys. All right, top paid surveys, and this is what people are completing every single day. All right, usually these are unlimited, depending on how much they have. All right, so it's usually I know how that sounds, but it's unlimited. But there's a cap at some point. At some point, there's a cap, right? So you want to just bang this out every day. Usually, there's $1.70. Usually, they're $1.50. So it ranges from the minimum 70 cents to about $1.50, $1.60, something like that. All right, for your surveys, and it could be even more, $3, $4 for special surveys. I always want to go to your surveys first. All right, Peanut Labs is pretty cool too because these are offers. All right, you don't have to do surveys. They have surveys with it. But it's usually just offers and signups and trials, all right, and tasks, all right. So there's a lot of different things. So you're gonna come in here, unlock the surveys by completing your profile, build your profile up, right? Like I said, I haven't been on here for a while, but once you get on here, look, plus 104, that's $1.04 right there. Look, it's $11.38 right here, $1.04 right here. So it's different things. You just do these surveys, bang them out. Like I said, it's all up to you on what are you trying to do. All right. So like I said, always go with your surveys first. Then you're gonna go back to paid surveys. You can always go to right here, top surveys and offers. Always bang these out. But like I said, I always just go to your surveys first. Like literally, don't even worry about all of this right now. See what I'm saying? Don't worry about this. Look, your surveys worldwide, direct, unlimited. This is what you want to go to. So it's basically the same thing. This and this is the same thing. All right. So you want to go here and just bang these out and nonstop. All right, like don't worry about everything else. All right, if you keep getting kicked out, don't worry about it. If you keep getting kicked out, you gotta watch my learn how to do surveys videos. All right, I break down everything. All right, I really break down everything. If you keep getting kicked out, you gotta see what question you're getting kicked out. When they ask you these questions, you have to make sure you're matching your answers with your survey answers. All right, your answers have to be the same. Your survey answers have to be the same with your profile answers. All right. So you can't be having on your profile that you make 60,000 a year, and then after that, when you fill out your survey, you tell them you make 80,000. It's gonna kick you out. All right. So always remember what questions kicking you out the survey, because you could easily just answer that differently or answer that correctly, and you'll start entering more surveys. All right. So like I said, it's up to you. About 50% of the questions are repetitive because all they want to do is know about your profile. Once they figure out that your profile questions actually match up, then they know that's really you doing the profile. I mean, doing the survey. They really know that's you off of your profiles. Then they're gonna be like, oh, okay. So now they're gonna let you do the survey. Now it ends up being opinion questions. So now you just answer them opinionally, you know? So you just answer them out. It's really simple. People, watch my first 50 videos. You'd be amazed, all right? I'm telling you, like, it's up to you on an every single day basis, all right? So always do your surveys first. Then do dynamic daily surveys, all right? They're really good. And you want to go, look, you have unlimited surveys right here. Your surveys. Like I said, your surveys is always good. Now, TV, your reward TV, you can set this up and watch TV. Set this up and watch TV, all right? So there's like I said, there's a lot of different survey providers. And once like I said, when you come here, don't get overwhelmed and be like, oh my God, what's all this? Don't do that. Come here, go to your surveys first, bang those out. Do not stop doing your surveys until you start having some income coming in. All right, remember, your profile answers have to match up with your survey answers. When you first start a survey, they're going to send you profile questions. They want to see if it matches up. So you have to answer them correctly. All right. So once you don't get kicked out of that, you're basically going to be entered into the survey. The only reason you might not get paid for a survey is because somebody completed all of the surveys all the members completed all the surveys that they had available before you did. So basically, if you take too long for a survey, you're taking like an hour. If you have to leave out and go somewhere and come back, you might not get paid for that survey. All right. So you want to just bang your surveys out quickly as possible. Read thoroughly. Don't answer random questions. Always remember the question that you answer, because sometimes they'll ask you a question that they asked you like 10 questions ago just to make sure you answer it the same. You know what I'm saying? So just remember these type of things. Answer truthfully. As like I said, it's so easy, so simple. You're at home, you're on your phone, you're chilling. You know what I'm saying? So just bang it out on your spare time. All right. I used to do it when I was watching commercials. When I used to watch NBA and NFL games all day, because I used to really be a heavy sports fan and watch like the whole game. So I used to do it while I was watching the game, but on commercials. You know what I'm saying? So you can do this, all right, people, on an every single day basis. So you want to bang those out, then go to Easy Surveys International, bang those out, then you got Sample Cube, all right? Like I said, I don't know about every single last one of these, right, providers, but like I said, once you start earning income, once you start earning $5 every single day, then you go into a different survey provider and see if that's better for you, right? If it works out better for you. If not, if it doesn't work out better for you, or even if it does, sometimes it's always best to just stay where you're at. If you're making $5 a day on a site, all right, this site now pays you $150 a month. You know what I'm saying? You have to understand the power of this. If you're making $5 a day on here, this site's gonna pay you $150 a month every month, because you're doing what you got to do to get that $5, and you're doing it on your spare time, so it's not wasting your time. So every single day you want to grind, you want to push, you want to keep stacking and keep getting this money right, and put it towards what you want to do on the side. All right, don't keep 9 to 5 and 9 to 5 and 9 to 5. And 9 to 5 is there to get your bills paid, just to create time and some type of sanity for you to come home and actually have time to work on what you really need to work on. All right, on an every single day basis. All right, people. Not doing a lot of videos like that because I got so many big time opportunities coming up for us. All right, I wanted to level up crazy, and I can't go small, I can't go little, so I got to go big. So you know how I do, people. But I got you guys. I got everything coming out real soon. All right, just breaking everything down. Just get ready for the avalanche, people. We're about to go strong. All right, so just stay focused. Continue doing what you gotta do. Continue grinding. All right, shout out to the online team. Watch these videos, people. I'm telling you, watch these videos. I haven't did videos in a while. But like I said, I'm about to level up to a whole different level. We got another channel coming out. We got a lot of different new things coming out, people. So, like, we're taking it to the whole extreme. I learned a lot of different things in this past 12 months, past 15, 16 months, people. Like, it's crazy, all right? So, I just been worrying about the future a lot, and a lot of things are about to get set in stone. So, get ready, people. We're about to take flight, all right? Look, money in the PayPal, free online money maker, people. Free online money maker. Look, more money right here that I got from the 24th cashing out. All right, so like I said, everything that touches my PayPal is 100% free. You could get this money too. Do not waste time, people. All right, every single day counts. Put it towards your dream and make sure you go get it. All right, free online money maker signing out. Y'all be safe out there, all right? Peace.